Hello everyone and welcome back again. So it's just a really quick video today, really just to say thank you to Atami. They have sent me all these products to try out for growing some giant vegetables for next year. I've spoken to them at Malvern for some show this year and continued contact via email, and they're happy enough to send me a few things to try. I'm going to be using these mainly for the giant onions. They've also sent a grow guide saying how much of what to use and at what stage of the plant to use it. I'll pop a picture of this up on the page so it's a bit clearer for you. But yeah, let's have a look at some of the stuff that we've got. So to start with, we've got some root bar stick. Again, I'll pop pictures of these up on the screen. This is to be used in the first 3 weeks to help promote stronger roots. We've got some silica boost to help strengthen stems so the plant can hold more weight. So I'll probably use that with the tomatoes and the cucumbers. Some root stimulator. This just helps promote healthy root growth throughout the whole grow. We've got the Cocoa A and Cocoa B base nutrients, which will be used throughout. Then we have some Cocoa Booster and Bloom Stimulator for help with going into the flowering phase. Probably use them more for the tomatoes again, as I will with these two. This is the Bloom Bastic and Roxabastic, and this is for the end of flowering to help promote sugars. So using that and that again on the tomatoes, and that's as a right. I think that's just to flush everything out before harvest. But they have also sent me a couple of bags of their own high plasticity cocos. This is cocoa with a light base nutrient in it, and it's also got some added perlite for extra drainage, which is what I want for the onions, which we will be potting them on and using this for them. But I'm also going to do a bit of a side-by-side with all my own compost and my own fertilisers, just to see what the difference is. That'll all be in a future video, probably coming up in the next week or two. But yeah, just a really quick one today, guys. Just wanted to say thank you to Atami. Please pop on over to their website, check them out if you're interested in buying any of these products. You can find them all on Amazon and on eBay. I'll pop a link to their website in the description. Check that out, that'd be brilliant. And keep an eye out for future grows using these. There will be a bit of a playlist under the name Atami, obviously. So keep an eye out for that. And if you haven't already, guys, don't forget to subscribe and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.